Hi, this is Puneet. Welcome back to another edition of Dining Tales. In our dessert section today, we have the Soufflé Royal for you. This is a very summery and refreshing dessert. We've used fruits like pineapple and cherries. You could replace these fruits with mangoes or peaches. The rum that we've used is completely optional. Let me give you a tip. This rum can be replaced with vodka, and if you do that, infuse a few cherries in the vodka, leave it for a few days, and then use that vodka. It will take your dessert to a different level. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Stay tuned. Let's look at the ingredients for the Soufflé Royal. We need 400 ml of cream, 8 egg whites, 12 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of gelatin, quarter cup of water, 4 tablespoons of dark rum, 1 cup of red cherries, de-seeded and chopped, and 1 cup of chopped pineapple. We are adding the gelatin into a saucepan along with the quarter cup of water. We will allow it to rest for a while till it swells up, and then we will heat it on sim till the gelatin dissolves and gets a translucent color. Look at the gelatin, it's got some lovely golden crystals here shining away. Now we're putting this saucepan on the flame at sim, and we shall warm it till the gelatin dissolves and the liquid becomes translucent. It's been a shade over a minute. We've been dissolving the gelatin and water, and we're turning off the flame now, and I will allow this to rest. We're now going to beat the egg whites stiff. The egg white is beaten till it becomes stiff like this. You're able to get a peak when you lift the blender out of the egg white. We now add the sugar slowly into the egg white and start beating it again. As you can see, we are now adding the sugar slowly and continuing with the beating of the mixture. We're gradually going to add the cool gelatin to the egg white and sugar mixture and mix it using the blender. We continue mixing it, and now we will add the 4 tablespoons of dark rum and then continue mixing. We are now adding the 400 ml of cream to this mixture. Give it a nice mix. We now add the chopped fruits. So first go in the cherries, followed by the chopped pineapple, and we slowly fold the mixture. We don't use the blender at this stage. We are now going to pour this mixture into a glass bowl or a few glasses that you may have, and allow to set in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours. We have now removed the souffle from the refrigerator. It is nicely set, and now you can decorate it the way you like. Here you go. The Soufflé Royal is now ready. This has been decorated with cherries, chopped pineapple, grated chocolates, and a small sprig of mint. Let's take a look at the texture of the soufflé. The Soufflé Royal is ready, garnished, and ready to eat. I hope you've enjoyed this video and look forward to seeing you the next time. Cheers.